Here's how to graph a linear function in slope-intercept form with sliders using the TI-Nspire CX. This is the version of the TI-Nspire that I will be using. Start by creating a new Nspire document. Select Add Graphs. You'll see a graph window. Input m times x plus b, as shown here. Press Enter. The program will ask if you want to create sliders for m and b. You do, so click OK. The sliders are highlighted so you can reposition them on the screen. Put them in the upper left corner. Then click away from the sliders. Now manipulate the slider labeled M. See how it changes the orientation of the graph? This slider changes the slope of the line. Next, manipulate the slider labeled B. See how it changes the vertical location of the line? This slider changes the y-intercept. You can also change the range of the sliders. Simply click on the number and change it.